In this exercise, we will play with a die one more time. The purpose of those type of exercises is to make you feel more and more comfortable with all the tools I gave you, such as for statement, do while, if then else, if then if, etc. When you are facing a new problem, you will have to imagine the algorithm in your mind, telling yourself, okay, I will have to do this and this and this and this. And in this case, I will have to use a for statement. Is a if statement is okay in this case? No, probably not, etc. Okay? So this is really more and more the goals of all the exercises we are going to do together is to make you combine all the statements you have in your mind right now. What we will have in this one is an output saying guess with the roll of die from 1 to 10. The user will enter a number trying to guess. If he is wrong, he will have an output saying you lose, and the program will ask him one more time, guess the roll of die from 1 to 10. I'm trying again and again. Oh my god, I'm not lucky, guys. Ooh. Oh my. Okay, so I'm really not lucky on this one. Anyway, when the user will be right, the program will do an output saying you win and will stop. I'm waiting for you. Hit the pause button for the solution. Okay, so I'm going to show you a solution to this exercise. I'm declaring a variable of type int, calling it user choice. I'm rolling my die between 1 and 10. I'm doing an instance of an object of type scanner to be able to collect the user, what the user is going to write inside the console. I'm doing a do statement, do while, because I want this block of code to be executed at least one time at the beginning. Okay, whatever happens after that, I want this to be done at least one time. So I'm doing an output saying guess the roll of die from 1 to 10. I'm collecting the user choice, and I'm rewriting the value of user choice this way. I'm doing an if statement, if user choice not equal to die. So I'm making sure in this condition, this user choice, what the guy wrote inside the console, is not equal to the die we just rolled. So if this is true, so obviously user choice is not equal to die, I will do what's inside this block of code because my condition return a true. So I will do an output saying you lose because obviously the user was wrong. Okay? While user choice is not equal to die. So obviously this is also true because I was wrong the first time. I wrote 5 in the console, so the do will be done one more time. We are collecting what the user wants to guess and doing a test here, a condition, sorry, to check if the user was right or wrong. Imagine we are at this point and I'm entering the right number. So user choice will be 9, the die will be 9. So if user choice not equal to die, this condition will be false because it is equal. So I will not enter this block of code. And when this condition will be evaluated, it will return user choice not equal false also. So I will break the loop and I will go outside this loop. As you know now, our program is a sequence, so I will never come back and my sequence will keep going. Break out of the loop, I'll be line 17, sorry, and I will say in the console an output, doing an output saying you win. Okay? So look one more time, anytime you want, to be comfortable with this, and I will catch you in the next lecture.